15 in the gas cylinder.
A very good example is
I would encourage our government to partner with training institutions and to support the top-notch training. I know the President has already talked about world-class training for Kenyan youth, and that is what would be very important if the youth are given the latest in the world skills, so that even when they go outside Kenya, they are competitive. I think if they get the international exposure, if they work, even those who are working in Rwanda or in Tanzania, we already see a big difference in their families. And the good thing is that if we can keep a track record of Kenyan skilled workforce being the highest, reaching the highest levels possible, it will make sure that even those that are given jobs abroad, they are starting at a very dignified job, and they will be recognized and respected for their skill.